Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have some NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 7. We have 5 of them, so we're going to first show you Martin Truex Jr.'s number 19 Auto Owners 2019 Toyota Camry. On the back, you can get like William Byron's Rookie of the Year, Liberty University, Noah Gregson's Cessna, Kyle Busch's IK9, and a really cool Jimmy Johnson 48 Lowe's Power of Pride. Also, you can get Kyle Larson's regular McDonald's or the McDonald's Chase piece. But let's get Martin Truex Jr. out of the box. So here is his hood, which is Auto Owners 19, and what the hood actually looks like with the giant A. Here is his car. Auto Owners is basically blue with some dark blue and black. It has a big A on the hood. Back then, Truex did drive the 78, and usually back then it was completely like one color, but now they divided into like black, dark blue, and light blue. So we have his mini version, or his 187 version. So here it is. It basically looks like it. Also, there is a lot of detail to the 164 scale, but it still looks pretty good to me. Also, he drives the number 19 car. Like back then, he drove, the 78, but now he drives the 19 for Joe Gibbs Racing. So here is another one. So he drives both 19 cars, and they both look amazing. There's Bass Pro, Auto Owners, Insurance, and Auto Owners is an insurance company because it does say it. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.